Hello, friends, family, and subscribers. Greetings from Windhoek, Namibia. Over the last couple of weeks, a lot has happened with regards to our vehicle. We have had it looked at by different specialists, especially on the engine and the gearbox side. So the first visit was to the gearbox and diff doctor in town, and they have assessed the gearbox and the differential on the vehicle. The car is out of the hospital and we are waiting for the doctor to come and give us his diagnosis.
Morning, Alex.
Morning.
Okay, we inspected that vehicle.
Yeah.
We found that the rear of the transfer, there was quite a big play on it.
Okay.
And what we did is to make a small repair. Is we just removed the gasket that's like a spacer.
Yeah.
So now the play is less, but there's still a little bit of play.
Okay.
But to fix that, we'll have to open up the transfer to replace both of those two bearings.
Yeah.
But
How serious is that?
it's not serious. You can drive.
Yeah.
It's nothing serious. You will also, I think that noise that you heard
Yeah.
will be away.
Also
gone.
gone.
Yes. Then the front prop shaft has got a lot of play, which we will have to attend to at some stage.
Yeah.
At the moment, you can use it in
Yeah.
4x4.
Yeah.
Just remember, when you do use 4x4, you have to stop,
And change.
put it in, then you drive. Then you can take it out and put it in as you drive. But after you've done with the 4x4,
Yeah.
you have to reverse at least like 3 to 4 meters.
Okay.
Then it disengages the automatic freewheel locks.
Okay.
And then we've replaced the oils.
Okay.
We've checked the two differential oils, they are still fine.
Okay.
And as I discussed with you, I think the front prop shaft we first leave until we've made your quotation for replacement of a stronger gearbox.
Yeah.
And then we can decide what we have to do.
Okay.
The problem is on that gearbox in the middle, there's it's a little bit weak for that, for your trip that you
Yeah.
want to do.
But I was thinking also, I'm not doing heavy 4x4.
Okay.
I'll be going mostly on tar roads or gravel
Yes,
roads,
yes.
but not heavy
Okay.
4x4. So
Yes, but before you go on that trip, I think we'll have to
Yeah.
inspect that part that,
Oh.
that I have got a problem with.
Okay.
That part is definitely 100%. Then you can do your 50,000
Kilometers.
without hassle. But at this moment, we don't know what the history is of
Okay,
the,
of the
the wear and
vehicle.
tear on that part.
No, I don't know either,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
because it's a used vehicle.
But what we did get is that the oil was not full of materials and stuff.
So it's a good sign.
Yes, that's a good sign. Oh yeah, and then the front lock diff works, but the rear one is not working, and that's the motor.
Okay.
Now sometimes we can repair the motor, sometimes not.
Okay.
That motor is very expensive. It's
Okay.
like 10,000 for the
Okay.
motor. So sometimes you're lucky we can just clean it and.
And make it work.
But I didn't
Try.
I didn't do anything now. No, it's another job there. So we have. If you want to, I would say like now you can travel with the car, go on as you want to go on, and then at some stage,
I can use 4x4 to
Yes.
bare minimum.
yes,
Not-
yes.
not-
No, you can use it.
Okay.
It's just at the stage where you make your decision, you
Yes.
want to replace it or not.
Yeah.
Then we must make a decision to take the gearbox out. Just open it,
Yeah.
check your clutch, and then we can do the front prop shaft, and then we also can do the locker.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Pleasure.
So go and sort out with your lady inside.
Yes.
Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Okay, no
When I
pleasure.
put it online, I will let you know.
Yeah, I'm happy that there is nothing majorly wrong with the vehicle, but let me take it out for my first spin out of town and do some of my own checking on it. On my way back from the gearbox and diff doctor, we decided to go and check on the vehicle registration at the car dealership. And voila, I have good news. 6th of March 2021, we have finally registered the vehicle, and you can see Johan and Peter from the car dealership trying to install the number plates on the vehicle.
The installation of the number plates are completed and I can take the car home now.